Today guys, we are going to tackle the 3 generations ng Rolex Day-Date 36mm. What's up guys? Another day. Sarap ng kape. Okay, so today, as I said, tatakal natin yung 3 generations ng Rolex Day-Date 36mm. Lahat to guys is full gold and all features a presidential bracelet. Alright? So let's start with something like this one. This is the reference 18238. This is the first generation actually, na first neo vintage generation siya. Actually marami naman generations way back mga vintages, pero we will not be tackling it kasi medyo hindi naman na yun available sa market right now. So similarities muna dito sa mga to. Everything features a 36mm case. Everything features a fluted bezel. Lahat ito guys, meron ding presidential na bracelet. And not only that, these 3 are all double quickset. When we say double quickset, meaning you can independently change yung date and yung day separately. Alright? So, hindi ka na magmamanual na paikot-ikot siya. Now, let's start with kung ano ba yung mga upgrades ito from generation to generation. First, this one, yung 18238 started 1990s all the way up to 2000 lang. Alright? So, that's the year. 10 years lang siya na release. Next is itong 118235 naman. Alright? So, this rose gold. So, this one naman was released between 2001 up to 2019. So, ito yung pinakamatagal na model na na-release. Alright? So, next naman, since 2019 up to present, is we already have the 128235 naman, which is, ito na yung pinakabago nilang model. So, what are the differences? Okay, one is mas magaan itong 18238 because it has significantly lower gold. I would assume gold. So, marami pa siyang hollow na mga pieces. So, hindi siya ganun kabigat compare dito sa dalawang to. Next is, ang pinaka-differences din nila is, of course, yung lugs. If you can see here, dito sa lugs, ito is polished lugs na siya. Yung dito. Dito guys, doon sa dati is non-polished lugs pa siya. So, medyo matte finish itong mga lugs nito. So, matte finish na to. Alright? So, dati rin guys, dito sa generation nito, wala pang rose gold na nire-release si Rolex. So, rose gold started on the 118235. Other significant difference naman is, of course, dito sa 18, as I said nga, mas mabigat siya. Significantly actually mas mabigat siya kasi mas marami siyang gold and mas sturdy talaga siya. Tignan. Other than that naman, these two, ang similarity rin itong dalawang ito is they both feature yung 3155 na caliber movement ni Rolex, which features a 48-hour power reserve. While this one, the 128235, features a 3255 now, which features a 70-hour na power reserve. Other differences nila guys, dito sa 18238 is wala pang big diamonds na mga dial before. But for this one, yung mga bago na 2000 and above are all big diamonds na, wala ng small diamonds. Alright? Next here, notable naman dito pag nakita mo between the 118235 and the 128235 is yung bracelet niya. So when you see the bracelet guys, kung pakikita mo, i-zoom natin dito, mas mahaba itong centerpiece nito ng presidential nito kaysa dito. Alright? So these are the difference. So mas sturdy siya dahil doon. Those are the difference. Now, with price ranges naman. Price range nitong mga 18235, this is around, you could get something around 800 to 1 million pesos. Now, for this one naman, actually, medyo malaki ang differences din nito. This one goes, ang mga 118238 or 235, these go from as low as 1.1 million all the way to 2.5 million. Bakit ang laki ng differences? Because maraming factors na dito. It has yung dial factor, yung inclusions, yung brand new of course, etc. etc. And of course, kung white gold ba yan, kung rose gold ba yan. And dito kasi, as I said, dito, the ruby na 6 and 9 diamond baguette are significantly very expensive kasi discontinued na to. Not only that, it's very rare. Alright? Now, for this one naman, the 128235 is around 2.1 all the way to 2.8 million. Depende of course sa dial. Guys, maraming factors when it comes sa DD, tuon sa dial nagfa-factor yan. So, what's the dial color? What's the dial configuration? Yun na yun. Now, let's try and fit them on my wrist. So, this is the 18238. Ang maganda rito guys, significantly talaga na mas magaan siya. So, mas madali siyang dalhin. Ayan. Next is itong 118235 na baguette. Ayan. So, ito, na-feel ko na agad na mas malamig siya. It means talagang mas solid yung gold nito. And mas mabigat. Definitely mas mabigat. Next is yung the slate one. This is the brand new. Ayan siya guys. Ganda. This is the slate rhodium. If I were to choose guys between these three, I would always go for this one. Mas maganda.